Back again, peeps. It's your boy King James, no rich kid. You see me, just me alone for that one, yeah. Right now, as you can see on the title of the video, we are going to do a swaggy and very unique. I'm not really say much looking players. I do this, you see me, 58%, 3 bars, 3 bars, 3 bars. As I say, 3 bars. Looking combo. You see it now, kind of tricky at first, but we'll go straight tonight. Might take a couple of attempts to kind of get it down, sis, because as I say, it's kind of tricky. But let's get straight into it and make we show you what I'm going, isn't me? Let's go, let's go! Oh my god, 56 already. You see what I'm talking about? You see what I'm talking about? 56 already. Alright, let's try to get it. We gotta get that 58. That's what we're working for. What the f did you just do, Jax? Alright, let's go. Okay, wait, we gotta reset. Jax is still there. Alright, bad man thing. Alright, what's up? 58 again. 58, you see that? 58. But the thing is, one fireball missed! One fireball missed! So we're gonna do it again so we can see the full damage, alright? Let's go. Alright, see there? Almost 59 people. Almost 59. Couldn't just get a man 59 and done game up to no. I get a man 60 for that, bro. What's wrong with you? But guys, if you don't like that, just practice it. It's kind of tricky at first, you see me? But you see when I get this down, trust me, a lot of people are rage quit every single match. Also, there are 2 other variations to the combo. If you only have like 2 bars, you can get like 55%. If you had the 1 bar, you can get around 50, maybe 52, thereabout. Trust me, this combo is swaggy. If you want to waste the 3 bars, forget the damage, beat your opponent, just do it. You see me? No risk. You see me? No risk. If you don't like the vid, don't forget to subscribe to the Jamaican Trio channel for more content you don't know. And just support the thing, you see it? Because I love to reach 1K followers. Or sorry, 1K subscribers, you see me? But peeps, I'm gonna say hope you enjoy the vid and we out. You don't know.